like them. It sucks me out of doing like them.
Hi guys! Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and I'm coming today with Birchbox. Now, if you're not familiar with Birchbox, it's one of the originals. Now, it is new to my channel because I haven't been paying for it because, quite honestly, it's $25 a month. You get 4 to 6 samples and sometimes full size. You do get to customize some, and it does ask you, you do fill out a survey, you know, and they'll build your box from there. Now, this is my first one, so I really don't have an honest opinion one way or the other about it yet. And so I figured I'd do it a couple months and we'd see how it goes. Now, I have my glasses right here beside me. You open it up, here, let's see. You open it up and it looks like this. Oops, let's get the shadows off of it. Okay. Now, I don't know what's all in here, so I'm going to look at it quickly because that's nice. Deb, poke your eyes out in front of everybody. Go ahead. Make your mama proud. Okay, and there's a few coupons on here, and it does have a URL code there. So, we will just see what we have. Okay, this is tan milk, and it's basically just a tan extender. It's a lotion. So if you start to dry out and flake, then you just put the lotion on. But they call it that must have to be sealed. Hold on. Hold on, I was trying. Yeah. There we go. Here we go. And it's to extend the life of your tan, but really, you know, as long as you're not dried out. That's good luck getting it out of the bottom. I can't get it out. Won't come out of the bottom. So, yeah, it won't come out of the bottom. There must be still plastic on there. I hate it when that happens. There. There, I got it. Nasty tasting, but no, I didn't get it. It is nasty tasting, but I don't think you're supposed to taste it. There it goes. There, I got it. And we'll just do it this way. And that's that. And that would be the texture of it. And it's quick absorbing. Where it feels more like a moisturizer than an actual like skin lotion. It's that consistency. It's quick absorbing. And it smells like popcorn. That's what it smells like. It smells like popcorn. Buttered popcorn like at a theater. That's what it smells like. Yes, ma'am. Okay, then we got Marcelle. Let's see if it's on here. Sometimes it's bigger. No, it's not on here. This is the mascara. I was looking to see if there was anything. Extension plus curl. That's what it says. And this is what it looks like. Extension plus curl. Let's see if I can open it and we'll see what kind of. I can't open it. See what kind of wand it has. I can't open it. I've been dehydrated for about 3 days and I finally got it back under control, so that's probably what it is. This is what it looks like. Let's see what the wand looks like. So there's that. I'll just stick it back in here for now. I'm leaving the boxes down there. I'm going to throw this on the damn floor. I've got a new sweeper I'm going to try to use later. Then you get, and I will put the dollar amounts for this on the screen like I usually do and do the math. And I'll leave all the information down below because to try to do this, pulling it out of the box, it's just too damn difficult. Okay, this is Aromatherapy Associates and it's called Revive. Now, I do use their Detox Muscle Gel for my shoulders, and it's the only thing I have found that works. I do like the brand, but it's expensive. And it's an oil. This is an oil. Yeah, this is an oil. And see, it has this kind of lid, and you just, on this, but it's just a morning moisturizer for your skin. But you don't, a little bit goes a real long way. Oops, I was going to put it all back in here so I didn't have to reach back and forth. I forgot. Y'all need to remind me of this stuff. What is this? This is Nourishing Lip Oil. I'm just going to zoom in on this one. This is a color enhancing pink, it says. So let's just see. We'll see. We'll be the judge of that. And this is obviously not a full size, but it's probably a deluxe sample, I would say. And this is probably a deluxe sample too for them. And I would say this is a deluxe sample. Okay. And it's lip oil. I do like lip oils. Keep your lips plumpy. I mean, not crusty. Some people find them drying. I don't. Okay, the next thing is Sand and Sky, Australian Pink Clay, Flash Protection Exfoliating Treatment. Reminds me of the song on Outlanders. To the sea and sky. This is what it looks like. And I'll put that on this hand. Yeah, it has just a little bit of grit. And it smells like clay. That's what it smells like. Yep, it smells just like dirt. Okay, so there's that one. And then, Drop of Strength from Dr. Brandt. Now, I do use his cleanser, and I do like the brand. And this is Drop of Strength, and it's a serum. Can't get it out of the box. Tore the box apart to get to it. And this is what that looks like, and this is sample size. I'm going to put this somewhere else because I just realized I stuck it over that other stuff so the scent won't be right. And it just smells clean. It just has a clean smell. So that's Birchbox. And I'll leave all the information down below. And I believe these are just codes, so I don't see why, they're printed codes, so I don't see why, if you want that code, use it. It's for the serum, and it's for the Daily Body Scrubber from Daily Concepts. A lot of people really like that. So what'd you think of this one? You know, I'm trying to do a few more here and there, trying to expand a little bit, get a little bit more variation. $25 for that, I'm kind of up in the air about. Be honest with you, I'm going to give it a couple months and see how it goes. But that's one reason why I didn't do it before, because I don't tend to use samples when I get them. Because I get so many full size. But if you're just wanting to try something, I guess. So I don't know. What do you think of that? Let me know down below what you think. Come on back. Like, subscribe, do the YouTube stuff. Bye.